guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. And by the way, this is Lori. So right now I'm here inside my room and I'll be showing to you what's inside my phone. So guys, apply muna tayo ng lipstick. Actually, di ako masyadong nag-red lipstick or yung masyadong mag-bright yung color kasi hindi ako sanay. Hindi talaga din ako sanay mag-makeup or hindi talaga ako nag-eyeshadow. It's just the normal lang na may lip tint, ganun yung kilay. Dapat kilay kasi kilay is life, ganyan talaga. And yun, ganito lang palagi yung buhok ko. Walang kasupply. Ganyan ako everyday here in Bahrain. So if you know na hindi talaga ako maarte and hindi ako mahilig sa mga damit na ngayon kasi dati talaga like super everyday dapat may bago or nung sa Pilipinas ako lalo na maraming nakakilala sa'yo pag dadaan ka lang sa mall or kahit sasakay ka ng jeep kailangan may bago ka ganyan. So ngayon hindi na-realize ko dito when I started working here in abroad, na-realize ko na hindi kailangan everyday merong bago or hindi kailangan every salary meron bagong damit or what. Na-realize ko lang yung need mo lang talaga. I only have one bag for work and yung bag ko na pang travel bag is yung bag ko pa nung college ako na regalo pa yun ng ate ko and isang bag na pang church. Ganun lang. Talaga, 3 bag lang meron ako. Although, meron akong body bag, which is yun talaga yung pinag-ipunan ko. So, right now, look at that. It's very pink. So, I have Netflix. There you go. YouTube, Messenger, the weather update. Then, I have there the apps. Apple. All about Apple. The weather, calendar, clock, calculator, Google Calendar. You have also your maps, Google Maps, and the Bahrain Pass, which was very important when I had my vlog the other time. Then I have there my apps for the one that I use for work. Yan, reminders, notes. Of course, yung file squad settings. Then, yung mga extras na hindi ko talaga ginagamit. 2 folder siya. Kasi maraming hindi ko ginagamit. I have mails, daming mails. Hindi ko pinubuksan. And I have there another one for Gmail. Kailangan mo ng other account for your work and of course for your social media accounts. My FaceTime, my phone, my messages, and then of course yung cheap flights. Magno-notify siya if may murang flight. Pag Bahrain to Manila, ganyan. And then I have here apps na ginagamit ko for ordering online. Ganyan. And then meron akong mga games. Kasi pinapairam ko to sa mga estudyante ko minsan lang. Then, meron akong music. Yan yung pang music kong application. Nag-ano siya for online. Kailangan may internet ka. Pero pwede mo siyang i-download if wala kang internet. Yan. And then, meron akong video editors na application. Yan. Ginagamit ko yan. Yung Zedge, ano siya, wallpaper na dina-download mo for free. I think for free. Hindi ko kasi free yung mga dina-download ng wallpapers. And then, meron ako here na mga other apps pa rin. Pero konti lang kasi yung apps ko dito sa phone eh. Meron ako, yan, mga camera, ganyan, photos ko. Of course, yung Safari, Google. And then yung mga binabayaran ko online, Viva. Yung Viva is yung phone ko, yung internet. Though naglo-loading siya ngayon. So hindi ko nabuksan kung makikita mo kasi yung magkano yung babayaran mo monthly. And then, I have their BFC. Yan yung ginagamit ko para magpadala yung money sa Pilipinas. And then, meron akong Messenger and YouTube lang. YouTube, I mean. So, yan. Yun lang yung applications ko dyan. Medyo boring yung phone ko. Pero okay na rin. Then, of course, yung ginagamit ko for church. And that's it for my what's inside my phone. So, pasensya na kung medyo maingay kasi talaga sa AC, yung aircon here is one of the necessities na kailangan talaga sa bawat kwarto, sa bawat opisina, sa bawat bahay here in Bahrain kasi sobrang init ngayon and almost 33 degrees ngayon here in Bahrain. So, medyo mainit-init talaga. And minsan pag morning and then until noon, nagiging 49, 50 pa yan. So, talagang you need water, you need vitamin C. So, see ya for my next vlog. Thank you. Bye.